Not like omunim di omu yo. I can tell you on authority. Here, this is Kennedy Agyapong.
Me see delegates any Ghana who don't. I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, you should ask Mr.
Oh, they offered.
They offered $800 million.
Not even 500.
No. Says I know Candia, and I'm saying they see from Ghana first. Namono 2016. I'm doing top pickups. And then you owe me $800 million. Intimacy see for. But I have not. I have not.
I don't want to see by Jesus Cano.
Mary, I won't hear me say, let's drop the E. Now, what the November 4th, yeah. What do you say? Yeah, person would tempt me as a Mecca BB, no Marco Kay, but they offered $800 million. Almost friend, Mr. Pombizu. On the main Cassana, me see from $800 million. And I'm saying, yeah. Ghana, who don't mean yet. Now, the mean,
Time FM.
because Jesus is away in our Ghana, watch the woman, mean yet.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over.
For sale.
Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Frey. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ebusia yemi abema Kelvin add information bia beto abonten efa papa honorable akompreko Agyapong. Where a political issue, so it could be say information a Kelvin dey beto abonten and made be sum you know it could be say bia atro and it could also be say bia ampa enti message say dey mo subscribe my page say na me upload bia so na on sabet naka yemi abema Kelvin dey beto abonten say a business na ye papa honorable akompreko Agyapong any Dr. Bawumia na as a matter of fact waje 1.2 billion Ghana cedis if in chain ansana or decided say obeboa no e work campaign mu na reasons intie ma honorable Agyapong jisika we no Kelvin e dey atwabonten a wa chirchiri mu nienti a e wu hia ye say honorable Agyapong Jesus can dey free MPP for chain ansana or the support amomo na agreement we nyina akoso ye ma me free more pare e kan bi ansana agreement we e koso na sika Agyapong AGN sika odi bi e settle ne campaign team na afi no di bi so abo onakasa e ho bra na ye hwe de we kensie no esifa ekoye na bibi eni wono ma Agyapong be gina so agisika e free Bawumia nche no ne support amano bat enema na Agyapong e consider ye no enema na Jesus can free ye papa Dr. Bawumia ensem.
Not like omunim di omu yo. I can tell you on authority. Here, this is Kennedy Agyapong.
Me see delegates any Ghana who don't. I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, you should ask Mr.
Oh, they offered.
They offered $800 million.
Not even 500.
No. Says I know Candia, and I'm saying they see from Ghana first. Namono 2016. I'm doing top pickups. And then you owe me $800 million. Intimacy see for. But I have not. I have not.
I don't want to see by Jesus Cano.
Mary, I won't hear me say, let's drop the E. Now, what the November 4th, yeah. What do you say? Yeah, person would tempt me as a Mecca BB, no Marco Kay, but they offered $800 million. Almost friend, Mr. Pombizu. On the main Cassana, me see from $800 million. And I'm saying, yeah. Ghana, who don't mean yet. Now, the mean,
Time FM.
because Jesus is away in our Ghana, watch the woman, mean yet. I've not done it. Besides that, I'm painful. I think you have me. A public show. Some me vice president. They say, what do you mean vice president cry? Oh, my catch him, please. Who vice president cry on tomorrow? Say, you know, who lead Ghana. Now, one must serve under this government. Who don't buy him? And why should I even step down near co-opposition? And you mean, and you mean a different person who. Se mutu nya Ghana for nipa be 10 ti second Agyapong mi nwamanum ka Ghana be konanim Ghana ke be konanim
Dara ana bona call bono region what is saying
I mean kancham ha Kennedy he took 300 million first asanteman penifo a omotena sa meeting no munim Kennedy took $300 million to share amongst his campaign team. In the weeks to come, a campaign team now normally Kennedy, they will all start putting in messages for Bawumia. TMA. The $500 million and over will be paid later. As we speak. And into Kennedy, Eddie Bawumia Eba Santimemu. It was to finish that deal. It was $300 million. Fremont Parry was there. Bawumia tam $300 million cash from Bank of Ghana of the Kennedy. And that $300 million, so catch Rom say, Sanko from the campaign team, no, he needed to sort all of them before or no, he will sit with them and take his money. Eya santimemu no mko finishes sa conversation no. Ejana me hwe Ghana fo ni bi ana mo hwe mobo. Iti Kennedy Agyapong no na mo sa no. Odemo ye business. Opere ansana or number no edi agreement no ne wo mumusa no edi a deal no ne opere ansa wo. Kennedy just sold this election because my mention ade kudiente o yes sir. Kennedy Agyapong nim se Bawumia mukutiska onim se Fremont Parry mukutiska. Now this is the whole plan. Onim se the probability say 2028 or contested Bawumia biema obe losing high. If we say Sika or this shares our primaries we no a week no. Kennedy lost millions. Our primaries no. Now he was thinking of coming back in 2028. He doesn't also know what will happen if Mahama wins power. Is he going to be clipped down? Are there going to be court cases flying around? Now he's looking out for himself more than that position because he's looking at his age. The probability of him contesting Bawumia again 2028 and failing is high because onim sika Bawumia more. He knows financially he's not as stable now. Inti or the 1 and 2 abominable say, then it is better I take my money now. Join your campaign. If I don't come again 2028, at least I have money sitting there to take care of my issues. Inti the money is not just $300 million. It goes through like 1.2 billion. We are talking about 1.2 billion. Omutam Ediema Kennedy. And Nintina, he did not care about telling you so by joining Bawumia. They sealed the deal in the Ashanti region. Asante from Penifo. In Penifo, they know this. And a Kennedy, a Bawumia, one central region. Kennedy, just central region free. Adentina. Kennedy and decided to obey the Bawumia our central region. Why didn't he do that? Because the stronghold in central region, Kennedy, a horn and the seat war. Bawumia wanko bono. Bawumia wanko nothing. I don't know Kennedy chooses only the Ashanti region of Beba because Asante from Penifo na tina sa deal.
Nipenyere Bodopa a vice president.
Right.
He's an economist. I know you're also an astute economist. Has he failed in a Akufo-Addo government?
Oh, of course, yes.
He has failed.
Yeah, of course. The man said, when Mahama, media no grace in Lumumpa, and I can Agyapong or my NDC ammunition, NDC for Muntikuruma. When the man said, say, when your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. When he was saying that $1 was 4 cedis, and now current DC for say 3 cedis, 80 pesos. And today, 11.5. The rate of depreciation. What are we going to say? And to me, the baby had no credit be any account. Now they were unfairly and or a mate.
But the failure near the MPP party.
But Ebasa digital bia unka say MPP I know there you take credit. Ebasa bibi nya bia wo say now you meet. Please, you see I don't want individual but media means so we makama chiro. I was expecting the way the year 2016 Oka economy ho asem ye and compensate say I will call round to make economy ho asem. He talks about digital.
This is Kennedy Agyapong 101. Atana radio so catch Ghana for say Bawumia is a failure, he's a liar. He's an imposter. The now Okanyina in opposition was a lie. John Mahama and the NDC are better. He said it on live radio. Also on chantro or kanokre. Me and selective economics intended Bawumia be vice president or your MPP ni ono super president. It is supporters muntie no obie na no say Bawumia is a failure. Inti Eden the same person and there we nya baby starting Bawumia nya campaign and no start here asantimemu me say MPP per se omudi nkwasi asema omo starting asantimemu so omo sa intra. The guy sat on TV and catch the one me say Bawumia or a failure. There's no way Bawumia betuma abua Ghana. Onne na part ba kumo onne no na etena se adwene o se enunti no no person be the president na Bawumia ntumi nye selective yaka so we failure o se ho de enyeme enka yankoka edien o se Bawumia ebeto $3.8 Bawumia de akọ almost 16 adenti na o se Ghana ni onimi nyansa etoma Bawumia. Now this same person turns around the next day say yantuma Bawumia na NDC dangerous. Kennedy Agyapong or dangerous. Kennedy what is a poison. Kennedy Agyapong. And into the most starting here, Kennedy no vote. No Kennedy say, hey, and nipa character. And you the trust no. Yesu Christo. And a character. Ni su, ne buying. And a man for the Edahum Gidi say, Yesu beba. Yesu Christo, na no asam, and then the man nipa bidahum jinidi. Yes, you go mumua and could be engineering with all due respect to Mumu for. I'm telling you. Yes, you know some your kaya ojani we chiri and no nipa yadam kutem ebesin ne. Your way Christo for it is the word that comes out of your mouth and then the unipa say yenji wundi and I'm yenji wundi. It is your words. Kennedy is a liar. Kennedy does business with MPP for the youth. Any munko kurane mrewa. Odioma ye business. Sika we nyani nyinano. He has done business with people in the NPP. Any Ghana phobia sebio omunjuni mkwechire. And matna ha kachiremo. The NPP nesi wono ahemfo di muye business. Asofo di muye business. Politicians say Kennedy eye business no mo di muye. Kennedy Agyapong has technically given you the supporters. He has given you the showdown. So now comes the showdown of Bawumia. Now he has turned the showdown. He has given it to you. Anka yokuwa. Anka yoboutua. So anka ofra broche ko Ghana so support Kennedy no. Anka you could deal with them. Anka nde. This guy is today with Bawumia. Telling you said ya we nyina no we Jimmy for. And this is what I keep telling Ghana for. Obiano asem. Na no asem. And this guy consistently, the consistency in the lies that comes out of his mouth. Atro, Kennedy can lie for you to be killed. And fun, it's about him. This is Kennedy Agyapong.
Video e ko hwe eye eniama Kevin Taylor de abeto abonte aso se eye true and ase enye true no eye allegations are ono de abeto abonte na video no no ejina so e de confirm say e ampa say Kennedy Agyapong agisike bi etisa every Bawumia nsem ansa na ordinary eye campaign e de boa no ebusuya we political issue say na medical kan no it could be very true or it could be more than true. And it could be a lie, but say the Tibiano. Mestros also do comment ebeto abonte abra wundi atem ne wache wadwe ne how won't see this assembly. Me personally, as a matter of fact, my team information we know I was in a shock because of the figures in it and how the issues were in the video. But politics anything can happen. Ghana, they say politics is a dirty game. It could be true, it could be false. And to Bushiame, so super drop a comment. Now, subscribe on my page. We send them here, upload the answer now. Or submit my account.